He kept eating the pie. Wow. That's what he was run today. They don't run today, they won't run. That hard going on. Hey, Bud, what kind of shorts you wear? Real short. Short legs. This leg give me shorts. Sir? He will.
Yeah.
Well, I know those blades is barking strange there. Pull whack. Sir. More for my boy, 17.
Uh,
Where are you going? We'll take a pedal. That's hospital. You look up at that murder. Just do that murder. Yes, sir. She's around anymore. She's a burning.
oh, you're there.
Listen at her.
Still barking, is she?
Somebody screamed. You there. Somebody. It's a big hard taking diarrhea on top of it.
turned and shone the lights, and he come up that road, but it had a bus.
Shade said, well, Shorty got a hat on. Where is he? Hat on. That got up there, son. That got a big Frank shit bucket. God, that's huge. Oh, that head's a shit. That a hat on.
And it had that buddy all over its head, down its neck, down its two front legs. I told Shane, I said, I'd kill that.
Every time them dogs come to you, you smell it. The dog might have it or a horse or a horse. Daddy, put your front truck. There it goes. I went back in the way. Shorty got out right front truck, went back over in there. Huh?
Your man did.
How much of this feeder tree went back over to the left? That's where the guy did. You see that truck turn around. Turn, dog. Turn, Blaze.
Lower on.
Go back the other way. Right there. Go back down. Go back downhill. Go back downhill. No, let's back this way, dog. No. I swear to God, you're going wrong. I bet that's where it's back that other way. Yeah, it's hard to look back this way. Like I say, that truck is turning in there. You're coming across the road to see that truck. That would have.
What you done?
Big. How much of that was done? That's how about down there. See that truck in the car out flying. That's how you went out here. Huh?
It was.
Yes, sir. But you tell them that's another fine. Start checking. Check that. Check that. Where's those games at? Right there. He's with it. That's what you come up there. See that truck back there.
I went
There, Chad, right there.
at that across the road, I'm pretty sure.
You see it?
Down there where them little pine shrubs across that curve.
There. dog.
Going down just a hair.
I thought that dog was it.
Right there to the left, girl.
Drop it right there.
Rabbit or bird, one did. Something come across there from the line. Believe it's a rabbit.
Put it right there. Put it in the truck on you. Come to her. Wow, look at the bird. It's sleeping well. Could have went around right there. That's a running rail. Can't be running back there.
Phew, God, something rotty, too. Man.
What? What they? I ain't worried about James. I'm worried about that little old boy.
Princess Buckle. Where they at there? Thought she was on the right side of the bark.
I sold that to Steve.
I'm gonna take that home for you.
So that George.
Got it.
How old you said he was? 16 years old. I think that's 14.